Hello and welcome back to episode number 2 of Melody's Toolbox. So today, Melody and I are going to build a calendar. This is one of the kits from Home Depot. And are you excited to do this?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to lay out all the pieces. We have our nails and stuff. Alright, so let's look at the instructions. You see them? Do you see these two pieces? Yeah, there you go. Let's move all the stuff to the side. So that goes in the front, and then we need to make sure that the edges touch. I will hold this, and then you can push it, hit in the nails, okay?
Yeah.
You don't want to hit any fingers. Not too hard. Hold on. Let me line it up first, girl. Just jumping into it. All right, go ahead. All right, perfect. That. Number 2, let you guys see the plans real quick. Put the top on, see? Oh, actually, the top is. So it's not the top. And those are the big nails. Okay.
Big.
We're doing this today at our kitchen table. If you haven't watched the video of our chevron wall, definitely check that out. Shameless plug. The reason we're actually doing this here is because, one, remember last time it was so hot in the garage?
Yeah.
It was so hot. But number 2, this table's from IKEA. We bought it, I don't know, a long time ago.
Yeah.
For like $30. So I don't really care if it gets messed up. All right, moving on. Wow. Okay.
Look, it fits in these holes.
That's where it's supposed to go. Don't put your finger out like that. Wrap your hand all the way around it. Why don't you look? Put your left hand right here. There you go. Does it make you tired?
Yeah.
You want me to finish it?
Yeah, the hammer's heavy.
It is heavy. For those of you interested, there is a link in the description. This is Stanley. It's Stanley Jr., but this is a legitimate hammer. Obviously the handle is smaller, the head's a little bit smaller too, but like it's got some weight to it, so it's a real hammer.
Heavy.
Is it heavy? Does it make your arms tired?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got that right up.
We did it! There you go. There's pretty much the base again. This is a calendar.
Come on.
Look, see there's stickers on there?
Mhm.
I don't know if you have to buy them yourself, but they come with the stickers. We're gonna have to come back for at a later time to finish this video because for some reason we don't have the stickers. We don't have the stickers.
Ah, Daddy.
Oh, you lost your arms. It says
The shelves.
stand the calendar up and glue the shelves into the slots. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some glue in the slots.
Okay.
These are the slots. Remember, just a teeny tiny bit, and then just oh, here it comes, here it comes. Yeah, here, hold it up.
Oh no, the glue is coming out.
It's okay, we'll clean it up. Remember how we cleaned it up the last time?
Yeah, but it's like dripping down to the next
It's
one.
okay, here. Hold that. Ah!
No.
It's coming out. It's all right. We're gonna clean it up.
Something.
All right. So now, Melody, go ahead and slide them in. You don't have to force it. There you go. Now, by tomorrow, the glue will be nice and strong. And that's not gonna come out anymore. Okay. So this is in, but we gotta clean it up. The glue is spreading around.
Squeeze out.
Yeah. What's it called?
Squeeze out.
Yeah. Look at you. You already know your terms. Another way you can do this too, you can actually take a straw and you can put the straw up against the corner and go and scoop it out.
Instead of sucking it out.
Yeah, you don't want to suck out the glue because then it'll go in your mouth.
Ugh.
That's
gross.
last step. Glue the day of the week bar across the front of the top shelf. That's this one. It has little peg holes in it. So we gotta glue this right here in the front right there, okay?
Okay.
Well, the clamp is gonna squeeze it and it's gonna keep it nice and tight because you need pressure when you squeeze stuff, it creates pressure. You need pressure for the glue to dry nice and strong, okay? All right, so one thing to note really quick, I'm going to use an actual clamp to clamp this down when we glue it. You don't have to use one of these. You could use tape. You could just put something that's a little heavy on top just to weigh it down. It might just be good just gluing it and sticking it in place. It might be fine. But just for a little bit extra, I'm going to clamp it on and it'll help it through the gluing and drying process. Well, Melody doesn't want to do the glue, which is fine. So we're going to put glue right here where we're going to put this, okay?
Okay.
Here it comes. Just a little bit of glue right across where it's going to go. So now we're going to take this and put this on the top. Are you watching? See, on the glue. Push it down a little bit. Get some squeeze out.
I have a clamp in mine.
You do? We should use yours. What am I doing? Melody has her own clamp. They came with the Stanley.
Can I put it on?
Sure. Yeah, when you pull this, it squeezes, see? So if you pull this one on the back, it opens up. So we have to put it right there. And then you're gonna, hold on, let me get it in place, hold on. Hold it for me. There you go. Perfect clamp for this project. So we're gonna wipe off.
It's a perfect fit.
It is a perfect fit. We're gonna wipe off the excess glue. You don't wanna leave that on there. Next, while this glue dries, I think we should go find some paint.
Yeah.
All right, so it's been a couple days and we're finally actually getting to the painting portion of this. Melody's here, she's working on her calendar, but just to give the twins something to do, we gave them stuff to paint as well. So let's check it out.
Purple, feeling a lot of red, green, and purple.
Now, what are you painting?
A roller coaster.
A roller coaster? Mia, what about you? What are you painting?
A person.
Person?
She's saying it's really hot.
Oh, it's really hot. Check this out. We have these deer who keep coming back. I think the family lives in the area. But that's one of the babies right there.